Welcome to day 3. At first, I request you to watch the full video. Please, it's just take about 3 to 5 minutes and also request to give your feedback or tell my mistakes after the video. In the previous video, I told about our necessity of learning and we clearly understood the matter. Today, I am going to talk about some systems or methods those we should follow for our journey and how can we execute them. So why we are late? Let's get started. We all know about the terms habit. Yes, habit can change a person in his desired shape. So we should make a habit of learning and practicing and it must be in a specific time. Basically, I try to learn in the evening. You can do it when you are free daily. When you do something regularly in the same time, it will become a habit and suggest you to make a habit. Now, how can we get a speaking topic? It's very simple to find any speaking topic. You are watching this video, so you have smartphone. Obviously, just go to Google and search, give me some speaking topic, or you can use ChatGPT. You can also make a speaking topic. Uh, Look around you yourself, and you can see there is a pen, book, notebook, diary, table lamp, fan, lamp, water pot, any toy, etc. Pick one of them and make a speaking topic, then start speaking. Remind one thing: you are beginner, so you may make many mistakes, but it doesn't matter. Don't upset, just carry on shamelessly. For being smart and fluent speaker, you must enrich your vocabulary. I suggest everyone just learn 3 words every day and apply them when you speak. Though I didn't start yet, but I will start learning vocabulary very soon. Let's summarize today. We talked about 4 things. Firstly, making habit, choosing a topic, no worries, and improving vocabulary. That's enough for today. Please tell me if I made any mistakes. Thank you for your valuable time.